Cleanliness brings joy. This is especially true in hotels. A clean hotel room sparks immediate joy. It signifies a fresh start, a sanctuary away from home. It whispers promises of a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Without cleanliness, hospitality crumbles. Imagine walking into a hotel room with dust bunnies in the corner, the bathroom not sparkling clean. The thought of resting your head on a pillow that isn't perfectly crisp. Unthinkable, isn't it? Cleanliness is non-negotiable. It is the very foundation upon which the hospitality industry is built. A hotel can offer the most luxurious amenities, but without a spotless environment, these amenities lose their luster. They become insignificant. Cleanliness is not just about appearances, it's about hygiene and well-being. It's about providing guests with a safe and healthy space. Cleanliness is essential, but true comfort goes beyond a spotless surface. It's about anticipating the needs of a guest. It's about creating an environment where they feel pampered and cared for. This is where the role of housekeeping truly shines. Housekeeping staff ensure fresh linens are always available. They replenish toiletries, so guests don't have to worry about a thing. They stock the mini fridge. They replace used towels with fresh ones. These small but significant acts transform a room from merely clean to truly comfortable. Imagine arriving at your hotel room after a long journey. The last thing you want is to call down to reception for a fresh towel, or to realize there's no bottled water in your room. Housekeeping staff preempt these needs. They ensure a seamless and comfortable experience. A well-run hotel operates like a well-oiled machine. Every department plays a crucial role in this intricate dance of hospitality. Housekeeping, often unseen, is the backbone of this operation. Their efficiency ensures the smooth functioning of the entire establishment. Housekeeping staff work tirelessly behind the scenes. They prepare rooms for new arrivals, ensuring a swift turnaround time. They communicate maintenance issues promptly, preventing larger problems down the line. They manage inventory meticulously, guaranteeing a steady supply of amenities. Imagine a scenario where rooms aren't ready for check-in on time, or a shortage of towels leads to delays and guest complaints. Chaos ensues. Housekeeping staff, with their meticulous attention to detail and commitment to efficiency, prevent such scenarios. They are the silent guardians of operational smoothness. Housekeeping is not just about cleaning, it's about creating an ambiance. It's about transforming ordinary spaces into havens of peace and tranquility. Housekeeping staff are artists in their own right, using their skills to paint a picture of perfection. They arrange pillows with care, creating an inviting haven on the bed. They pay attention to the smallest details, ensuring everything is in its rightful place. They understand the power of aesthetics. A well-placed vase of flowers, a neatly folded bathrobe, a sparkling clean mirror. These are the brushstrokes of their craft. Imagine entering a hotel room that feels cold and impersonal. Contrast this with a room that welcomes you with its warmth and attention to detail. The difference is palpable. Housekeeping staff, with their keen eye for aesthetics, create spaces that soothe the soul and spark joy. Section 5. The watchful eyes and steady hands. Safety and maintenance. Housekeeping staff are often the first to notice a leaky faucet, a flickering light, or a loose tile. They are the watchful eyes and steady hands that ensure the safety and maintenance of the hotel. Their vigilance is crucial in preventing minor issues from escalating into major problems. They are trained to identify potential hazards and report them promptly to the maintenance team. They are also responsible for maintaining the integrity of the hotel's assets. They handle furniture and equipment with care, ensuring their longevity. Imagine a guest slipping on a wet floor that wasn't properly marked, or a fire hazard going unnoticed because a burnt-out light bulb wasn't reported. Housekeeping staff, with their commitment to safety and maintenance, act as the first line of defense against such incidents. They are the unsung heroes of guest security and well-being. Section 6. A warm smile and a helping hand guest interaction. While housekeeping is often considered a behind-the-scenes role, the interaction staff have with guests can leave a lasting impression. A warm smile, a genuine greeting, a willingness to go the extra mile. These small gestures can elevate the entire guest experience. Housekeeping staff are often the first point of contact for guests needing assistance. They possess a wealth of knowledge about the hotel and its surroundings. They are always ready to offer directions, recommend local attractions, or fulfill special requests. Imagine a guest struggling with heavy luggage. A housekeeper, noticing their plight, rushes forward to assist. Or a guest inquiring about the best place to have dinner. The housekeeper, with a warm smile, offers recommendations based on their personal experience. These interactions, though seemingly insignificant, create a lasting impression of warmth and hospitality. Section 7. Recognizing the unsung heroes. The value of housekeeping staff. Housekeeping staff are the unsung heroes of the hospitality industry. Their hard work and dedication often go unnoticed, yet they play a pivotal role in the success of every hotel. It's time to recognize their invaluable contributions and give them the appreciation they deserve. They are the heart and soul of hospitality. They are the ones who transform a building into a home away from home. Their commitment to cleanliness, comfort, and guest satisfaction is the backbone of the industry. Imagine a hotel without housekeeping staff. The rooms would be dirty, the amenities depleted, and the atmosphere anything but welcoming. It's impossible to imagine a positive guest experience without the tireless efforts of these dedicated individuals. Section 8. The power of appreciation. Small gestures, big impact. A little appreciation can go a long way. A simple thank you to a housekeeper can brighten their day. A small gesture of gratitude can make them feel seen and valued. It's important to remember that behind every perfectly made bed and spotless bathroom is a person who deserves our respect and appreciation. Leaving a positive review, mentioning the cleanliness of your room, can make a world of difference. Tipping housekeeping staff is a tangible way to show your appreciation for their hard work. Treating them with respect and acknowledging their presence can make their day. Imagine the impact of these small gestures. A housekeeper, feeling valued and appreciated, is more likely to go above and beyond in their duties. They will take pride in their work, knowing that their efforts are recognized and appreciated. Section 9. Creating a culture of respect housekeeping in a new light. It's time to shift the perception of housekeeping from a menial task to a respected profession. It's time to create a culture of respect within the hospitality industry, where housekeeping staff are treated with the dignity and appreciation they deserve. Hotels can play a crucial role in this transformation, providing fair wages, offering opportunities for growth and development, and fostering a positive and supportive work environment are essential steps in the right direction. Imagine a world where housekeeping is seen as a profession of pride, where individuals are eager to join the industry and build fulfilling careers. This shift in perspective will not only benefit the housekeeping staff, but also elevate the entire hospitality industry. Section 10. The future of housekeeping. Embracing innovation and sustainability. The world is changing, and the hospitality industry is evolving along with it. The future of housekeeping lies in embracing innovation and sustainability. From robotic assistants to eco-friendly cleaning products, there are countless ways to enhance efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Hotels are increasingly adopting technology to streamline housekeeping operations. Automated room assignments, digital checklists, and real-time communication tools are just a few examples of how technology is transforming the industry. Imagine a world where robots assist housekeeping staff with physically demanding tasks, where guests can customize their cleaning preferences through a mobile app, where hotels prioritize sustainability by using biodegradable cleaning products and minimizing water usage. This is the future of housekeeping, a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Section 11. Concluding thoughts. A world without housekeeping? Unimaginable. It's impossible to imagine the hospitality industry without housekeeping staff. They are the silent force that keeps hotels running smoothly, ensuring guest comfort, safety, and satisfaction. Their dedication and hard work often go unnoticed, but their contributions are immeasurable. The next time you stay in a hotel, take a moment to appreciate the efforts of the housekeeping staff. A simple thank you or a small gesture of gratitude can make a world of difference. Let's recognize and celebrate these unsung heroes who play such a vital role in creating memorable travel experiences.